Hi, my name is Amy. I'm from New York City in the United States, and I came to DentAkademi to get a new smile. Long story short, I had a destroyed mouth, a lot of failed root canals from the time I was a child. I had missing teeth all over. I chose this place because we went to 3 other places, and the expertise, the care, the professionalism made us decide to stay with DentAkademi and do the procedure. I came in, they gave me a treatment plan, there was no problem, they didn't beat around the bush, and honestly, they did everything they said they were going to do and some, without me having to pay like all this extra money. It was really incredible. I had the treatment plan. In the first stage, I had 5 implants, a couple of bone grafts, 3 extractions. I'm trying to remember because it was 4 months ago now. Also a sinus lift, 2 sinus pocket lifts. And that was done in a couple hours by Dr. Farhat. Love him, he's amazing. Everybody's amazing, but I'm gonna go step by step. And to stay for a couple months in Slovenia and Croatia while I healed well. And I came back, and once I came back 3 months later, I did the second stage. During the second stage, you know, they decide to prepare your teeth, like little baby shark teeth, I call them. And then after they do the little baby shark teeth, I had to have root canals because they were very sensitive and it was very close to my nerves. So I had to have some more root canals because I didn't want to have a problem once the crowns went on. So basically, I had the crowns with Dr. Zeffirelli, did all my crowns. Dr. Eisel did all of my root canals. She was magic. The only person that has ever done a root canal in my mouth in all my years. I'm not going to tell you how old I am, but I'm old. And she did an incredible job for all the root canals. She's very gentle and professional. I just adore her too. She's amazing. And then after that, I went to in between, I was seeing also Dr. Zeffirelli because he was doing all my baby shark teeth. And then Sergic was the porcelain artist. He was amazing, the technician that I guess paints all the teeth. And I came back at once all my root canals were done. They put a temporary on me, and then I got my smile. I got my upper, and then I got my lower, and they took so much time and care into this. And then of course we have the medical advisor, Abdullah, he gave us a hard time often. No, just kidding. He was great. They come, they pick you up, they arrange your hotel, they do all kinds of great stuff for you. Whatever you need, they're here for you to support you. I highly recommend it. Definitely bring your Google Translator when you're alone in the dentist chair. You're gonna need it every now and then, but don't be afraid because they know exactly what they're doing and they have years and years of experience. And I highly recommend DentAkademi. It was amazing and I'm thrilled with my results.